Hi guys, and today I'm planning to bleach my hair at home by myself. Bleaching is very risky and kind of dangerous because maybe your hair will gonna make a rubber if it's too much like elastic, something like that. But of course I did a research in YouTube, Google, how to bleach your hair or dye your hair at home without ruining it. I did a research, you guys. What I've learned is that the number one tips is don't wash your hair for at least 3 days. So as you can see, my hair is kind of greasy right now because I didn't wash my hair for 3 days, so that the natural oil will come out, and instead it can help to protect your hair from damage or to protect your scalp from damage, because bleaching is very strong, it's very risky. So it's kind of experiment for me. Actually, it's my first time to do bleaching at home.
2 hours later.
So I'm gonna start now. Okay guys, ito na nga siya. Ayan ako siya para ma-incubate. So, i-stick lang muna siya 40 minutes at least. After that, we're gonna take shower. Ang hirap talaga niya I always check every 10 minutes kung ano yung kulay niya. Mas lighter na dito. Yes.
Okay guys, I just done taking shower and this is my first bleach. Then after 3 days I'm gonna bleach again, but maybe only for at least 30 minutes, because this one, look my hair. This is not the final outcome yet. This is the first step. First bleach is only here, and then I didn't enter my roots. My second bleach is I'm gonna do it maybe after 2 or 3 days, and then that time I will do my roots too. So I look like irrelevant. This is my first bleach, and it's not so, here is kind of even, but on this side it's not so even, but it's okay because I'm gonna do one more bleach maybe after 2 or 3 days. And then after I did my second bleach, then I'm gonna do this final color. This will be my final color. So today I'm gonna start now my second bleach. This is after 3 days. So but first I'm gonna do it here because this is more darker on the side. It's more darker. After that, the sun is not even here, so I'm gonna do it here. And after that, my lips. Also, I will put some powder on my scalp because as you see, it's good also to to protect your scalp from hot roots. So I'm gonna try. Maybe it work. Let's see. Maybe I will keep it for 30 minutes and then I will gonna rinse it out. This is my last bleach.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, what's up? So this is the result of my second bleach. It's more lighter now, and maybe after tomorrow I'm gonna dye my hair. I'm gonna put my final color in it. Very light ash blend 9.1. Actually I'm stuck between silver gray and very light ash blend, but I think because I already bought it, so I'm gonna try first very light ash blend, and I don't think one packet will be enough for this hair. But when I asked the sales lady, they said it's enough one packet, but I doubt it actually because my hair is kind of long already, and I think I don't want to, na ma-short ako sa color. I wanted to put it enough, really enough, and I don't want to short. Ma-short. I will see. Or let's see what is the outcome after I put the final color on it. But, I'm just enjoying myself seeing my hair like this. It's like, I look like Shakira. So fun. So now it's time for me to color to put my final color. At first I choose very light ash blend 9.1, but I changed my mind because I think silver gray is more, I don't know. I think I like it more than silver gray. And also this side is nice also to make it like ombre, but it's already too late because I already put bleach all over my hair, including hair. Because if you want to make your hair, like ombre, it should be hair is more darker. Only hair is lighter, but it's too late now, so it's okay. Maybe next time when my hair will grow again. So try. I will see how that if it's even. Yeah, I look like, oh my god, I look like my hair is like a Barbie now, or Blackpink, or like a Super Saiyan. So funny my hair, but I don't like this hair, this color of the hair. I don't like it actually, that's why. But at least I try for a few days to be a blonde girl. At least I try for a few days. So I'm gonna start now coloring. I don't know the result. I'm kind of excited because as I said, do it at your own risk, and it's like what's that, experiment for me. But it's my first time to do it at home, bleaching. So get started. So guys, I'm done coloring my hair, and now pinapano ko na lang siya for a few minutes. Ito dapat pala guys, inuna ko yung sa roots ko color para huwag na siya mag-dark kasi light pa yung roots ko. Inuna ko kasi yung sa yung dulo yung unang nag-dark. Pero, I wanna see. Hopefully na okay lang ang resulta. Hindi siya light nito yung dark ito. Because I want dark dito sana and lighter sa baba. Well, let's see.
2,000 years later.
So guys, ito na siya after I shower. I will see if after drying my hair, what is that? Silver gray. Color is silver gray. So guys, what's up? Ito na nga siya guys. This is the result. This is the final outcome of my hair. Silver gray. And I think it's not bad, right? Hope so bagay siya sa akin. Mukhang okay naman siya. Kinalabasan. This is the final result. After I bleached my hair for 2 times and then I did this one. It's more lighter here. I want sana na lighter here than here, but it's okay. The result is not so bad. Even if hindi siya masyado pantay sa taas, parang lighter pa siya, din somewhere is darker, but it's okay for me. Then my hair is not totally damaged because I use also hair treatment with keratin and I think it helps. And I want to buy also the Olaplex. It's good also to help to protect your hair from damage, guys. But when I found it in the store, it's very expensive, so never mind. It's 40 kb, it's almost 9,000 peso. So hair treatment with keratin is okay. It's okay for me. That one is enough. I still look like a new lady or new look. It's the new look for me, so I'm happy with the result. And I knew it will not be perfect at first because I just do it by myself. It's my first time to do bleaching and etc. And I expected it anyway that it will not be kind of even or like perfect, but it's okay. As you can see, I think it's not bad. The result is not bad. The color is kind of light green. Yeah, I ended up silver gray. The color that I use is silver gray. Actually, last minute, because my first choice is very light ash blonde, but I changed my mind last minute, so I shift to silver gray, and it's not so even. Obviously, here is kind of lighter, and some part is darker, and you can still see some yellowish in some part, but it's okay. It's still not so obvious. And it's normal, it's still not bad, so I'm still happy with the result even if it's not so perfect, but still my friends like it and it's okay. At least I tried and just experience for me. So if you wanna do bleaching at your home too, or bleaching your hair and dyeing hair at home, you should do the research first. It's very important, guys, how to bleach your hair without ruining it, and there's some tips also that you can see in picture. And the tips that I can give to you, what I learned as my experience, is that first, if you are planning to do some first bleaching, you should not wash your hair for at least 3 days, so that the natural oil will come out, and it can help to protect your hair from damage on your scalp and your scalp too. It can help protect your scalp because the scalp is very, very sensitive. And yeah, after 3 days, and then you can do the second bleach again, and then after 2 days you can color the final color like that. And also, before you bleach or color your hair, you can put like a face powder or just powder or baby powder, Johnson powder on your scalp, because for hot roots, it can less the hot roots. And when I put the powder, in fairness, I don't feel too much hot roots, like not so much hot. There's a little bit hot, but not
So that's it, and thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you feel, and click the bell button below. See you next time.
Peace.